Hi everybody, this is Jurek, and hopefully you're having a great day out there. I hope you're hitting the real estate investing hard each day, doing a little bit to move that business forward. What I want to tell you about, a lot of people have a pressure when they're trying to do their first real estate deal, or they're not quite sure what properties to go out there and look at. And what I want to tell you is this: don't focus on the cheapest properties out there. Normally, they're the ones that require the most work. I call them a super heavy duty rehab. Often, if you could focus on newer properties if possible, or properties that don't require as much work, a light or medium type of rehab would be great. Because often when you get into those super heavy duty rehabs, they're hard to calculate the renovation costs. And often, sometimes when people are flipping them, they get in over their head. So I want to make sure your first deal is a great deal. Get out there, look at a lot of properties, make a lot of offers, and make that deal happen. Often we're going to create that deal by the offer we make. So until next time, go make it a great day. Make your dreams a reality. Take care. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.